Very like sad story.
Okay.
She had before she was on the very high level. When her husband died, and then the son she lost.
पहले मेरे घर में कोई कपड़े धोता था, कोई बर्तन मांजता था, क्या करें?
Now she is telling me the story. Okay. I should explain you here. First, like her husband, he was a very good person. Like he was earning a good, and their source of income was good. But he was suffering from diabetes. So she spent most of the money on his, like survival in the treatment. After that, he is no more. Like he died
from diabetes.
Yeah, from diabetes. And next, because he had 5 children. Now he 5 children. He had 2 daughters. 2 लड़कियां थी, 3 लड़के थे.
2 लड़कियां, 3 लड़के.
उनसे 2 लड़कियां थी
और 3 लड़के.
From first husband, he had 2 children, 5 children, 2 daughters, 3 sons. Then what in India? What happens?
Okay. वो भी सगे थे इसके चाचा.
What happened in India when in the family,
Yeah.
Like if the girl, the woman, lost her husband, she always go to brother.
Okay.
This is the system.
Okay.
Ritual, like it's the custom.
Okay.
So she had one another like brother-in-law.
Okay.
Then she married with that.
2 लड़की उनसे.
With the brother-in-law.
Okay. Like his husband brother.
His husband's brother.
Okay. And now she had 2 daughters from that.
Okay. Yeah.
Even she's no more now. He is no more.
Okay.
Even he
How
died.
did he die?
वो कैसे डेथ हुई उनकी जो चाहते थे?
वो यहाँ पे वो खा गया था कीड़ा, सांप नहीं होता?
अच्छा. In this areas, snakes, So he was bitten by the snake.
He was bitten by a snake.
Yeah, poison body, He died.
और लड़के को मेरे को पीलिया हो गया था, उसका भी रामल और लोहिया में.
Then his another son, elder son, he died because of jaundice.
So her elder son?
Yes, he got died.
From jaundice?
Yeah,
okay.
From jaundice because of this water problem here.
मतलब लड़के का तो इलाज कम हुआ था ना पैसे की कमी की वजह से.
Jaundice,
Okay.
So with these treatments, she get low.
32 साल का लड़का खत्म हो गया.
So from the medical bills.
Bills, nobody is paying for this health. In India, health insurance is nothing.
Okay.
The government is not providing anything. You have to give them the money.
Okay.
लड़के को अभी 3 साल हुए मेरे, 32 साल का खत्म हुआ था मेरा.
Even now his son is died. वो कैसे death हुई?
पीलिया हो गया क्या तो नहीं?
Jaundice.
पेट में पानी जम गया था.
The water from little bit far away from here.
Okay.
There's like a tanker comes to this place to give them water. But it's very short. Like few people get, few people don't get.
Okay, and then otherwise I have to drink the dirty water.
Even this water there, it is not good. Even this water, like she told you that water with jaundice. This is the only main problem.
Okay.
If you see the level of the water, purity of the water, you cannot drink.
ये आ गई देख. और एक ये 7, एक मैं 8, 9 है.
Total 9 members in this family. They are living here.
No.
Out of this, 6 are children.
6. And she's not married now.
No, she's not married. Now it's enough.
Yeah.
अब तो नहीं शादी करने का मूड.
किसका?
तुम्हारा. पूछ रही है.
वो जब तो 32 साल की थी ना मैं.
At that time she was just 32 years old. Now she has son, son and she's grandmother.
अब तो बच्चे मेरे.
Now how old? अभी कितने साल के आप?
57.
57. How does she support so many members?
अब कैसे बच्चे पलते हैं और क्या जरिया क्या है कमाने का का क्या हिसाब है?
बहू जाती है काम पे.
बहू जाती काम पे. हर
स्कूल में आया ना.
Daughter-in-law.
Okay.
Daughter-in-law, she works somewhere.
Yeah.
This is one source of income.
और मेरे को 1,500 पेंशन मिलती है.
And she got pension from his first son.
1,500.
That is small money. It's not big money, but they are surviving. Actually, he is from the priest family. In Hinduism,
Okay.
there are 4 castes, So they are from priest family. Class. So he goes to the temple, to the people, and they donate something, and he take like small food, something like that.
Okay.
He took money.
All right. So is there enough food for everyone? Is that?
No, it's not enough food, but at least they are surviving.
Okay.
They never beg. They just as a priest,
जैसा होता है भगवान पे भरोसा करके जो हमारे नसीब में था.
So whatever is in their destiny, she said whatever is in her destiny, she is not going to beg any time, and she will survive in small things also.
Okay. And so they.
पर पूरा परिवार चल रहा मेरे दम पे है.
Okay.
जैसे कोई दुख तकलीफ हो, मैं मेरे बगैर ये कर नहीं सकते।
Without her, she is the main support of this family.
Okay.
मतलब मेरे बच्चे मेरे भरोसे हैं।
So she is taking care of all this.
बारिश आई थी ना, ये
When it is raining, they always come to this place.
उसकी कमर टूट गई है, मेरी लड़की गोली खिलाती है, दवाई लगाती है।
He has a spinal cord problem,
Okay.
and she is giving her treatment with medicine.
Yeah.
Though she broke the
मेरी
spinal
पोती
cord.
करती है उसका।
Her daughter,
Yeah.
she is taking care of her. She loves her, and that's why she's caring.
तो कभी-कभी कहती है मैं कुत्तों की डॉक्टर बन जाऊँ।
She want to be a doctor of the. Sometimes she said that I want to be the doctors of the dogs.
Oh,
She has
like
attachment with the
that.
animals. She feel like this. हाँ.
बोलती हैं अगले जन्म में जरूर अस्पताल खोलूंगी कुत्तों के लिए।
She said maybe next life if it I will be good next life, so I will make one hospital for dogs.
Very nice. And what is she doing with the dog that's behind her?
इसके ट्रीटमेंट इसके इलाज के लिए क्या करती रहती है?
इसको कभी दूध पिला देती हूँ, कभी सेफ्टम की गोली खिलाती हूँ, कभी हल्दी तेल लगा देती हूँ।
Turmeric powder. She make the paste of the turmeric powder and she put on the spinal cord. Sometimes she give milk and sometimes she give oil massage. Like this she is doing as a man, you know.
That's very nice.
She said they need more tuition, you know, because education is not proper here. So she needs
कमी
more
है ना थोड़ी,
education. That
बच्चे ने आप सर जी ने देखा कमी है को और हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए।
They don't have any expectation.
और लड़कियों की शादी हो तो कोई
from
थोड़ा
this
बहुत दे दे तो
government
सही।
because they don't do anything. This is she saying.
Yeah.
Why should I ask if they are not able to give? This is the same answer he's.
इतना लालच नहीं
Okay.
करते।
So
नहीं, इतना लालच नहीं करते। मकान सर चुमाने छत मिल जाए, कभी लड़कियों की शादी हो जाए तो कोई थोड़ा बहुत पानी
That she said.
प्यार मिल जाए
What
वही
we
बहुत
need
है।
the basic things, you know.
प्यार मिले
We
वही
need
बहुत
the
है।
basic things. If they can provide us, they can see. You know. We don't have good shelter, not education. This they can provide.
आजकल दहेज मांगते हैं।
She has to.
बेटे की बेटी है।
ये बेटे की बेटी. She is the daughter of her son.
okay, the daughter of
She is direct daughter,
direct daughter.
and she is the daughter of her son.
Okay. Sorry, you'll just have to hold this so I can. And so do they go to school? No.
तुम स्कूल जाते हो दोनों में?
मैं नहीं जाती,
हैं?
मैं नहीं जाती।
She don't go to school, but she goes.
And how old are they?
कितने साल की है तू?
मैं 15,
She is 15 years old.
And
16।
She is 16 years old.
16. Did she ever go to school?
हैं?
इसने चौथी का स्कूल छोड़ा।
She is very good in studies.
पापा मर गए ना इसके जब उस चक्कर में छोड़ दिया।
And what does she hope to do when in a few years?
आप
When she's older.
कुछ बनना चाहते हो बाद में?
हाँ।
क्या बनना चाहते हो?
टीचर।
टीचर में? She want to be a teacher.
She wants to be a teacher. Very good. And what about?
और तू क्या करना चाहती
मैं अभी कुछ सोचा नहीं।
She don't have time to think.
If they ever wish, their situation was different, do they look at other kids?
मनीषा बुला के लाना।
ये आ गया आकाश।
आ गई मम्मी तेरी।
Wish their situation was different when they look at other kids?
बड़ी
Yeah.
अच्छा ये बता क्या नाम है तेरा?
बड़ी सिस्टर महिमा।
महिमा तेरा नाम?
प्रिया।
प्रिया। सच बताना ना जो बोलेगी क्योंकि जो ये पूछ रही है वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, ठीक है? जब तुम दूसरी लड़कियों को देखते हो कभी जब स्कूल जाते हो जैसे कि तुम्हें कुछ अंदर महसूस होता है?
हाँ,
क्या
ऐसा
महसूस
लगता है क्या हम भी स्कूल जाते।
हम भी स्कूल जाते हैं
हाँ, पढ़ पाते पूरा
और
कुछ बनते पढ़ लिख के।
she always thinks that when she saw other girls in India, she said the same lifestyle we should have. We should go easily to the schools, get good education and get good things.
How old do girls in these communities usually get married?
She won't before.
Yeah.
She did marriage of her daughter in age of 14. But now she want the children should get education.
और अभी तो
and she should marry after 19.
पैसे पूसे का भी तो जुगाड़ करेंगे।
18 or 19.
Yeah. And how old was she when she got married?
आप कितनी उम्र में आपकी शादी हुई थी?
मेरी 15।
When she was 15 years old.
Okay.
This is another daughter.
आ जाइए सर।
ये 38 साल। She is 38 years old daughter. She is the elder daughter, you know.
Eldest daughter.
38 years, and she has. She is a grandmother, you know. Now they live. She was living from here. It is 140 kilometers.
Okay.
One place. And husband died.
Oh, when her husband
Died,
died, yeah.
and she came back to mother.
Okay, so her husband died as well. Oh, okay.
Now she's alone, and she's with the daughters. Came to her mom.
In here. Okay.
Grandmother.
इसके गिरिराज जी के पुजारी हैं ये, मथुरा में जो मंदिर है ना, उसके पुजारी हैं गोवर्धन के ये।
So she is real Mother India.
उसे प्यार करती हूँ।
She loves daughters like anything, and she don't care about anything. Like people in India say, they're afraid from daughters. She said, all I have daughters, but I don't care about it. I feel happy. I love them like anything. She will try her level best to give them the boys on good conditions, not in this slum. She will try her level best.
For the boys?
No, for the girls.
For the girls.
She will choose the boys of different places in good conditions.
Okay.
But whatever is destiny then.
Okay.
17 साल की।
She is 17 years old. What is your name? क्या नाम है तेरा?
मोनिका।
Monica. और इसका she has one son.
ये रसन।
और this is the son. Okay. Mother. 16 years old.
So she's 16 years old.
16 years.
हाँ।
16 साल की तुमने ब्याह क्यों दी?
इसकी तो मेरी मम्मी ने करी।
When she was 14, she get married. 2 years before. You know.
Okay.
So now she's weak. Mostly, I don't feel that with the food she need, you know, nutrition food. But I feel, you know, even, you know, but she will say yes, okay, but no. Child is child, you know.
And this is her son. How old is her son?
बड़े बेटे
ये कितने साल का है?
बड़े बेटे पे भी 3 बच्चे हैं। होगा 8-9 महीने का है ना।
He is only 8 or 9 months.
8 or 9 months. Okay.
In her eyes, they are mostly smiling.
Yeah. In everyone's eyes.
This is what we call India's spiritual, you know, blessing of nature, you know. In these conditions, still we are smiling. More smiling than other people.
जा अपनी मम्मी पास जा।